2, 4, 6, 8. Do you know what comes next? You probably do, because your brain recognizes patterns and predicts what should follow. Today, you will learn that large language models, or LLMs, work the same way. They aren't trained by magic or memorization. They learn by finding patterns to make predictions. You will need an Ozobot, a coding device, color code markers, and your activity sheets. We will be coding with Ari today. However, both Evo and Ari can be used in this lesson. In this lesson, you will explore how AI uses data to recognize patterns and make predictions. You will begin with skip counting to uncover number patterns and learn how to use loops and variables in the Ozobot editor to check your results. Then you will apply what you've learned by creating a light pattern challenge for a classmate to solve. As you test and compare your predictions, you will see how pattern recognition, whether in math or in language, helps both people and AI make sense of information and decide what comes next. In the editor, connect Ozobot. If you are using Ari, make sure to launch the Blockly app on the bot first. Open the loops category. Add the block count with I from 1 to 10 by 1 and attach it to program start. Update the range so it reads count with I from 5 to 60 by 5 to match your activity sheet. Next, open the sounds category and add a say number block. From the variables category, drag the I variable block into the say number block to replace the 1. This connects the loop count to the number Ozobot will say. Now connect your bot and run the program. Ozobot will say each number in the skip counting pattern. Use your activity sheet to predict the next number in the sequence before checking your answer. Finally, discuss the pattern you noticed. Just like you used the earlier numbers to figure out what comes next, large language models use patterns in data to make predictions. Now it's your turn to become the data trainer. On Activity Sheet 2, create a pattern for Ozobot's lights. You can use the top light and the 5 front LEDs. Fill in boxes 1 through 5 with your repeating color pattern. Then leave box 6 blank. Next, trade papers with a partner. Study your partner's pattern carefully and predict what comes next in box 6. Write your prediction in the blank box and describe the pattern rule you noticed. After predicting, return to the editor and open the LED category. Add light color blocks to match the 6 frames on your sheet. Program Ozobot to move through the sequence from 1 to 6, following the light pattern your classmate predicted. When you run the program, watch how Ozobot follows the rule. This is how AI learns from examples. The more clear and consistent the pattern, the easier it is to predict what comes next.